Take your original shirt pattern and trace it onto a newspaper, adding 3 inches to the center front. Measure 3 3/4 inches up the armhole and then cut straight across. Extend the length of the shirt pattern 12 inches long by adding a newspaper underneath it. Cut out 2 shirt pieces front and back, not on the fold of the fabric. Place the shirt pieces right sides together, then sew down the sides with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. From the top of the shirt, mark down 6.5 inches, then draw a line across. Then underneath that line, mark down 2.5 inches and draw a line across. Create a casing at the top of the dress by folding it over twice and sewing across the bottom edge. Right now I'm showing you how to determine the length of the elastic for the casing by stretching it around me above my bra. Attach a safety pin to the elastic and insert it through to the end of the casing. Make sure to secure the elastic in place so that it doesn't come out. Measure around your underbust with your elastic and cut out 2 pieces. Stretch and sew the elastic across the 6.5 and 2.5 inch lines we made earlier. Here I'm going to show you how to make a slash and spread sleeve from your original sleeve pattern. Draw a line upwards 3 1/4 inches away from the edge of the newspaper. Trace your original sleeve pattern next to the line that we just made. Draw a line 2 inches upwards from the armhole. Draw a curved line from the top of the newspaper down to the 2-inch mark we made earlier. Draw a straight line that is 7 inches long. From the top of the line, using 4 3/4 as a middle point, draw a line that is 9 1/2 inches long. From the bottom line, using 3 1/2 as a middle point, draw a line that is 7 inches long. The seam allowance is already included, so now all you have to do is connect the top and bottom lines together. Cut out 2 sleeve pieces on the fold of the fabric, then cut out 4 cuff pieces not on fold. Sew 2 rows of basting stitch and gather it enough to fit around your arm. Face the right sides of the cuffs together and sew with the 1/2 inch seam allowance. Attach the cuff to the sleeve, leaving a 1/2 inch on both ends of the sleeve out. Sew the sleeve closed with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Match the seams of the sleeve and armhole together and sew. Pull and stretch the elastic comfortably over your shoulder and cut 2. Create a casing on the edge of the sleeve and then insert the elastic, similarly to what we did for the top of the dress. Cut out 5 holes on each side of the sleeve cuff, then attach the eyelets with the grommet. Cut out 2 strips that are 1 3/4 inches wide and 15 inches long. Fold each side in the middle, then fold it closed and iron it. Measure the circumference of the bottom of the dress. Both of the strips should be 13 inches wide. The length of the top strip will be doubled what the dress circumference is, and the length of the bottom strip will be double the length of the top strip. Attach the longer ruffle to the shorter ruffle and both to the bottom of the dress, and be patient because it's going to take a while.